Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you all today. I peeled 1.5 kilo garlic and half a kilo of ginger. This is what guys for my whole month it stays for cooking. So now I'll grind and freeze it. Whenever I'm using for cooking guys, I don't use the ready-made one. I use my fresh ginger garlic. So this is the ginger and garlic I'm going to grind. So I sat and peeled all. So in garlic guys, when you're grinding ginger garlic, you don't have to use a lot of ginger. You have to use about 1 kilo garlic and half a kilo of ginger. So here I got 1.5 kilo garlic and half kilo ginger, because ginger was very big ones guys. So now I'm going to crush it and keep it in the fridge. Whenever I'm cooking, I'm going to use it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy it, share it.